all the way to the Canton Park.
This is light.
You're gonna carry two of them.
Yeah. Well, that's why I wanted to get them both blown up.
Jack! Jack!
I'll make it work. I just got to get it to where I
Because if you start dragging them,
Jack says I'm king of my boat. Trying to myself all wet here with water. Actually, yeah, it ain't even that bad.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, I need to kind of go out more.
You got it, buddy. You got it.
Good job. Good job. Okay, I'll let you stop.